digital twins, and personal data. Replicas. One of the interesting aspects of our digital self is that it is often a carefully curated representation of ourselves. We can choose to disclose certain information about ourselves and present ourselves in a particular way online, which may not necessarily reflect our true selves. This can lead to a disconnect between our digital self and our real-world self, which can be confusing and even disorienting at times. Our digital self is separate from our physical, real-world self. While they may be interconnected, they are still distinct identities, with different attributes and characteristics. Another unique feature of our digital self is it can detach itself and take on a life of its own. This digital soul can become a separate entity that represents us, but may not necessarily always act in accordance with our real-world self. This ability for our likeness to detach itself and take on a life of its own demonstrates the changing nature of identity in the digital age. As our digital souls grow in importance and our reliance on technology continues to grow, it is important to consider how our digital and physical selves interact with each other and how we can ensure our digital selves accurately represent our real-world selves without creating this detachment. Lesson complete. Continue to the next lesson.